Hello, my wonderful friends. Today, I want to share with you a very special idea for learning English. I call it the 10-minute English rule. This rule is simple, it's easy, but it can truly change the way you learn this language. Let me explain with a little story. Think about learning to ride a bicycle. Can you learn just by watching videos about bikes? Can you learn only by reading a book on cycling? No. To really learn, you must get on the bike. You must hold the handlebars. You must try, even if you wobble. You might fall. You might feel unsure. But you try again. And one day, it feels natural. Learning English works just the same. You can't just think your way to fluency. You have to speak your way there. Here's a truth many people don't hear enough. A lot of us learn English the hard way. We watch lessons, we read books, we study grammar, we memorize words, but we often forget the most important part. We don't speak, and because of that, we feel stuck. Let me ask you honestly, how many times have you thought, I'll practice speaking tomorrow? Then tomorrow comes and life is busy again. Or you think, my English isn't ready yet. I need more words first. I need more grammar first. This kind of thinking can keep us in the same place for a very long time. I've met so many learners like this. They know the rules, they can write correctly, but they find it hard to order a meal, or talk on the phone, or just have a simple, friendly chat. Why does this happen? Because when we only listen and read, our brain learns, but our mouth does not. Our brain understands, but our voice stays quiet. So let me tell you the rule, the 10-minute English rule. Every single day, you must speak English for 10 minutes. Not listening, not reading, not writing, only speaking. You must use your own voice. You must speak out loud. Now, you might think, only 10 minutes? That's so short. But listen, that's why it works so well. 10 minutes is short enough that you can't really say, I don't have time. Everyone has 10 minutes. We often spend more time scrolling on our phones, but 10 minutes is also long enough to make a real difference. There's science behind this. Your brain learns through repetition. When you do something again and again, your brain remembers. When you speak English every day for 10 minutes, your brain starts to see English as normal. Your mouth starts moving more easily. Your fear gets smaller. You stop translating in your head. English starts to feel automatic. Think back to the bicycle. At first, you think about everything, pedaling, balancing, steering. But after practice, you don't think, you just ride. Speaking English is like that. Practice daily, and one day the words will come naturally. But there's one more important piece. You can't just speak randomly for 10 minutes. There's a gentle structure that makes this rule so powerful. Your 10 minutes have 3 parts. Let's go through them together. Part 1. Gentle imitation. 3 minutes. Find a short piece of English, a movie clip, a podcast, a YouTube video. Play one sentence, pause, say it out loud yourself. Copy how the speaker sounds. Copy their tone. Copy their feeling. Don't just repeat words, try to feel the sentence. Do this with a few sentences. This trains your ear and your mouth together. You learn real, living English. Part 2. Peaceful description. 4 minutes. Now, look around you. Pick any object, your cup, your notebook, a window. Describe it in English. Don't just say, this is a cup. Say more. What color is it? What do you use it for? Do you like it? Why? Speak for the full 4 minutes without stopping. If you don't know a word, use simple words and keep going. This teaches your brain a powerful skill, thinking in English without fear. You learn to keep speaking even when the perfect word isn't there, and that is real fluency. Part 3. Friendly conversation. 3 minutes. Now, imagine someone friendly is with you. They ask you simple questions like, "How is your day?" or "What's your favorite season?" Answer them out loud. Speak as if it's real. Don't write first. Don't plan perfect sentences. Just speak. And here's a very helpful habit. Record yourself on your phone. Later, listen gently. You'll hear where you paused, where you felt unsure. This honest feedback helps you grow kinder and faster. Now I want to share a few gentle warnings. Common mistakes to avoid. Mistake 1. Skipping days. Many people practice a few days, then skip, then stop. Remember, English needs daily friendship. Even if you're tired or busy, just 10 minutes. No excuses. Mistake 2. Practicing only in your mind. Thinking about speaking is not speaking. Your mouth and voice need the exercise. Always speak out loud. Mistake 3. Feeling ashamed of mistakes. Making a mistake doesn't mean your English is bad. Mistakes are signs you're learning. Even native speakers make them. Don't aim for perfect English. Aim for clear, kind communication. Mistake 4. No variety. If you talk about the same thing every day, growth slows. Change your topics. Talk about your day, your dreams, a happy memory. New topics bring new words and new growth. Please understand one thing clearly. Fluency won't come in one day. You won't be perfect tomorrow. But if you start the 10-minute rule today, something beautiful happens. After 2 weeks, words come more easily. After a month, fear feels smaller. People might notice a change. After 3 months, conversations feel lighter. After 6 months, you'll surprise yourself. But nothing changes if we don't begin. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is right now. So here's what I invite you to do. First, promise yourself you'll try this for just 7 days. 1 week. Only 70 minutes in total. You can do this. Second, choose a calm time each day. Morning, lunch break, or before bed. Let it become a kind habit. Third, if you feel comfortable, write below, "I'm starting my 10-minute rule today." Writing it down is a gentle promise to yourself. And finally, remember every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. The only difference was consistency. They practiced. They didn't give up. They gave a few minutes each day. You already have everything you need, my friend. So let's stop waiting. Let's stop making reasons why not. Your 10 minutes can begin today. I believe in you completely. Now, let's go practice.